Good morning, Extreme 111. Andito kami ngayon sa Mount Fuji. Ayun o. Woo! So, una sa lahat, salamat sa iyo sana for making this winter wedding happen sa Japan. Sobrang sulit po talaga. Yung 6 years na trabaho sa iyo sana, nagsisimula kami. May mga challenges din, nahihirapan din kami. Pero at the end of the day, titignan mo lang talaga yung outcome, yung dulo. So, grabe talaga. May gusto akong i-share sa inyo na nabasa ko kanina. Thank you kay Honey for giving me that birthday book. It's David and Goliath. It was said doon, no? People see us the way we are, how small or how big we are. But God sees how small or how big we are in our hearts. So, imagine mo, ngayon pwedeng bago ka lang, pwedeng kaka-start mo lang, pwedeng sabihin mong nobody ka, black sheep ka ng family mo, or wala kang trabaho, hindi ka nakatapos. Pero at the end of the day, ang importante is gano'n kalaki sa kumbaga in your heart, and kung sa tingin mong giant ka talaga like Mount Fuji, no? Kasi at the end of the day, that is what is important. Kung sa tingin mo giant ka talaga in your heart, no? You can make it as well. Maging top income earner ng Philippines, ng Asia Pacific, ng buong mundo. So, alam mo, that's what's important, what's in your heart. Okay? So, if you know you're a giant in your heart, push mo yan. Magiging successful ka rin. So, I'm looking forward na magkita-kita tayo sa stage sa ibang bansa and ma-awardan kayo. Okay? So, pangalawa, pinakamasarap dito is yung passive income. So, halos 2 weeks na kami in preparation for the Japan wedding. Kakatapos lang, winter wedding. And right now, Sunday ngayon, flash out na agad. So, oo, diba? So, ang sarap, no? 2 AO max out na agad. So, I'm working on sana maging 4, maging 5 AO max out by the end of the year. So, kayo rin, kaya nyo rin yan. So, ayun po. Konnichiwa. See you around the world. And sabi nga, bago lumaki ang income, kailangan giant ka muna sa sarili mo. So, be a giant, and I'm sure the world would see you like Mount Fuji here. Extreme. Ang ganda. Ito yung Lake Kawaguchi naman. Alamig.
Food, yes. Okay, I'm not sure where.
Bakit food? Tama man din doon mga food.
Oh.
Going back to the check out the map.
Ay, alamig. So, ayun po, kasama ko po yung family ni Aya. Okay, hello. Kasama ko rin yung family ko. So, ayun po, and si Nono, andito rin. Hello.
Hi.
So, yun. Friends, family. So, sobrang masaya. Sobrang sulit po talaga. Thank you. Yusana. Yes!